Hello, my beautiful kids. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing great and learning all the rhymes and watching my videos. So, our today's rhyme is about a star. See, I'm having a star. So, let's start the video. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids, Feather Cap. Okay, so tell me, have you all seen the stars? Mm, yes, everyone have seen the stars. We all have seen the stars. And where do the stars shine? In the sky and at night. Okay, whenever there is dark at night, what happens? Stars shine. Stars twinkle like this. Okay, like this. They twinkle at night in the sky. And where is sky? Up. Okay, sky is up. So, our today's rhyme is about stars like this. These are called stars. Okay, so let's quickly start our rhyme. And I want every one of you to sing after me. Will you do so? Okay, good. So, let's start the rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Wow, it's a lovely poem, isn't it? I love this rhyme and I sing every night whenever I see the stars. Okay, so promise me you will all learn this rhyme and sing this rhyme whenever you see the stars at night. Okay, so let's one more time sing this rhyme with me. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Very nice. Now clap for yourselves, everyone. That's right. Okay, class. Now I want every one of you to learn this rhyme at your home, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy learning.